Thinking about getting a laser level, but not sure which one is accurate, durable, and worth your money? Don't worry, you're about to find out. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best laser levels with 4D 3D green beams, self-leveling, 360-degree coverage, and remote control features. Whether you're a professional or DIY user, we've got the perfect choice for you. Stay till the end to see which one is the ultimate winner. Let's go! Item number 5. Introducing the Clubiona ME60G 4D green laser level, a professional tool designed for accurate floor, wall, and ceiling alignment. It projects 16 green laser lines with 1.5mm accuracy at 5 meters, ensuring precise measurements every time. Equipped with self-leveling, tilt, slash, and laser receiver functions, it adapts to any indoor or outdoor project. The remote control allows easy operation, while a 4,000 mAh Li-ion battery with adapter provides long-lasting power. Designed for hanging or standing use and durable in temperatures from -10 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius, this laser level is ideal for professional construction and DIY projects. Item number 4. Introducing the Huepar 3D 12 lines green laser level B03CG, a professional-grade tool designed for precision and convenience. It features 3 by 360 degrees laser planes, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical, with selectable modes for leveling, squaring, and plumb alignment. With self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, plus a 5200 mAh Li-ion battery with Type-C charging, it delivers up to 8 hours runtime. The bright Osram green laser ensures high visibility up to 130 feet, while IP54 waterproof and dust-proof design, magnetic base, multiple mounting options, and a durable hard case make it ideal for any job site. Item number 3. Introducing the Kezers KL4D33G 4D green laser level, a professional tool for precise alignment on floors, walls, and ceilings. It projects 16 green laser lines with -2mm accuracy at 10 meters and offers self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes. Built with a rechargeable 4,000 mAh lithium battery, it provides 5 to 7 hours of continuous operation. With an IP54 waterproof and dustproof rating, a pi3 grease leveling range, and 1/4 inch mounting thread, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. Compatible with the KL1D receiver, this tool ensures professional precision for any construction or DIY job. Item number 2. Introducing the Decteam MRO 4CG 4D 16 lines laser level, a professional-grade tool for precise indoor and outdoor alignment. It features 16 adjustable green laser lines, 4 by 360 degree, with 3mm accuracy at 10 meters. The Japan Sharp diode ensures bright, stable beams, and the tool self-levels in under 3 seconds. Powered by a 7.4 volts 2600 mAh Li-ion battery with Type-C charging, it runs about 5.5 hours continuously. With an IP54 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof design, nice 3D compensation, and 1/4 inch 20 mounting, it's perfect for flooring, ceiling, and wall projects. Item number 1. Introducing the Huepar S04CGC 4D green laser level, a professional tool with 16 green laser lines for precise floor, wall, and ceiling alignment. Equipped with a Germany Osram diode, it offers 3mm accuracy at 10 meters and self-levels in under 3 seconds. Features include manual and pulse modes, LCD display, remote control, and Bluetooth connectivity via Huepar app. Powered by a 7.4 volt 2600 mAh Li-ion battery or 4 LA batteries, it runs up to 5 hours. With IP54 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof design, multiple mounting options, and a durable enclosure, it's perfect for professional construction and DIY projects. Which of these laser levels is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.